Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Alina coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, November 3rd, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 37 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 46 and a low of 42, with mostly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Yashita, Brody, Zachary,
Christian,
Brandon.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls will play the Orlando Magic tonight at 6 o'clock. Clubs meeting today are Band Buddies will meet today at 11:45 in room 208. Now a message from Mr. Schmoser and Mrs. Ingram.
Thank you, Alina. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Good morning, Mrs. Ankrum.
Good morning.
How are you?
I was waiting for the good morning, Mrs. Ingram. How are you?
Isn't that what I just said?
Well, yeah, but you usually say it all together.
Oh, I was trying to use a little dramatic pause there.
Well, that was very dramatic and it threw me off.
Yeah.
I'm good. How are you?
Not too bad.
Great.
Any announcements?
No, just we have the assembly today. So at 9 a.m. we'll have K through 3 called downstairs, and then at 10 a.m. we have 4 through 6 for the assembly.
And that's key. We will be calling classrooms down to come into the assembly. So just wait till your classroom is called. What else? Anything?
I don't think so. Anything with you?
No, not really. Do have one more announcement, I guess. Remember, we're collecting those donations for UNICEF. Today was the last day, so classroom teachers, if you could round up any final donations, and then we can turn those boxes in. It's Friday. The weekend is almost here. Another beautiful day outside. I think it's time to pull some Herbie high fives.
All right, so I have the intermediate egg. We'll pull a couple. Here we go. Allison in 212. Allison in 212.
All right, Allison.
Mix this up a little. Sophia in 205. Who else?
It's quite the bracelet you have there.
Thanks. I like it myself. Ahmad in 205. That's quite the collar you have there.
Oh, well, thank you.
Rudra.
Quite the collar you have as well.
Well, thanks.
You bet.
204.
You guys kind of match today.
We
Your
do.
A
sweaters
little
and
bit.
shirts.
We're Twinkies.
No.
Veronica in 206. You know, we match. One more.
Yeah, that's the same.
Jaden. It is a saying.
I think it's because like, two
They
come in
get
a
it.
pack.
The students get it. Jaden in 118.
Are you done?
I'm done.
All right. Remember, she said that, not me. We have Adam in 121. We have Manasvi in 121. Let's see. Lakshaya in 201. Ayush in 110.
Is it a dart? A dart?
121, it looks like
Looks like
Anal or
Oh,
Anar.
that's an N. A null?
Last name starts with an R. You want to keep working on that one? I don't know. Trevor in 105. We'll do 13 more. Just kidding. Looks like Ishan in 105. I'll do 2 more. Christopher in 115. Christopher, nice handwriting, thank you. And Daniel in 114. So remember, students, congratulations to all of you that got your name called. Go to the office after announcements. It looks like we have a couple of special guests once again.
Forward a little bit.
The theme is Awkward Friday.
Hi, friends.
Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Happy Friday.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray!
Great job.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelcher
You're welcome.
and Mrs. Ingram. Friday's fact is today's Sandwich Day. Celebrating Sandwich Day is so easy. All you need to do is make yourself every kind of sandwich you can imagine. Breakfast can start with a bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel, while lunch can be a Big Mac on a sesame bun from McDonald's. And dinner can be bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes on sourdough bread. Sandwich Day is also the best time to try something new. How about a peanut butter and marshmallow sandwich? That's all for today. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Bubbly Buffalo production team. Have a haunted Friday.